But today isn't so bad. We're just writing proportions. But okay, let's just look at this. So, what kind of a segment is BD? Out of our special segments that we have. BD. Which one? So it's perpendicular, but is it bisecting that side? No, so it's an altitude, right?
It's on freeze.
Thanks. You guys write altitude there. It is an altitude. Okay, so if we have two altitudes of our similar triangles, we can write a proportion to find missing lengths. So how I like to write it, I'm going to write my altitude over my altitude. So BD over, it's an F, FH. All right, and now we're going to set it equal to whatever sides that match. It's your choice. As long as they match on both triangles, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to pick AB. What side matches AB over here? EF. But again, you can pick whatever sides that match. EF. Oh boy, I can tell it's been a while since I wrote a board. Okay, what kind of segment is QS and UW?
No, angle bisector.
Angle bisector, yeah, it's cutting that angle in half.
It's cutting the angle.
Yes, it is. Angle bisector. So again, I'm going to write my angle bisectors over each other. QS over UW. And then again, just pick sides that match. So I could do like QR. What matches QR? UV. As long as they match, that's all that matters. QR, UV. Perfect. And what's our last one, kids? Median. So I'm going to write my medians over each other. JH over LN. And then again, any side you want. HI matches LN. So that's the gist of what we're doing today. Now we're just going to try it with actual problems and numbers. So let's first decide on this first example, what kind of a special segment do I have going on? Median. So let's write that just for practice. So I can write my medians over each other. X over 15 is equal to
16 over 20.
16 over 20. Okay, how did you know 16 matches with 20? You're right, but how do you know?
Oh, it's the top thing that says STU and DEC.
So he saw that ST matches DE.
Yeah.
Perfect. Or if you didn't notice that, what were you thinking, Gabe?
They're the two small sides.
Yeah, 16 smaller than 19, right? Which one's smaller here? 20. So that's how you can know it too. Either way works. But yes, now we cross multiply. Cross multiply it, and we get 20x. I don't remember, 240. Then we divide out, and we find that x is, what does x equal? 12. Sweet. Okay, what kind of a segment on the second one?
Altitude.
Altitude. And sometimes it's nice we don't have to really think. We just have to match up. So I can do 10 over 8 is equal to x over 14. There's no extra info to like throw us off. We just had to line it up. Now we can cross multiply. Anyone want to share x equals
17.5.
17.5. Good answer.
This is easy, but I'm just waiting for it to get hard.
Don't say that. It's not going to get hard. Okay, what kind of a segment on the next one? Angle bisector. Agreed. Anyone want to give me your proportion you wrote?
32 over 24 equals 38 over x.
Perfect. Okay, cross multiply, kids.
Really go.
Get some big numbers, so that's alright. Yeah. 28.5, anyone?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, what's our last one? This one looks kind of goofy. What do you guys think?
Right angle.
Look at the right angle. What's that telling us?
Altitude.
Altitude. Even though it falls on the outside, it's still an altitude. So we can write, what, 12 over 15 equals x over 42. All right. Cross multiply. I got 33.6. Anyone want to second that?
Oh, yeah, seconded.
Second it?
Thirded.
Yes, we can do proportions all day. All day long. Okay, one more thing to talk about for our first day back here. Okay, so do you guys see how we just have one triangle here? Yeah? And then what kind of a segment is this? Angle bisector. So when this happens, it's splitting this side proportionally to the other whole sides. So how I like to write it, I'm going to take my parts and put them over each other. So AD over DC. And then I'm going to set it equal to my remaining two sides. So since I started on the left, I have to put the one that's on the left first, AB over BC. So just know that if you have an angle bisector, it splits up your triangle proportionally. And again, mainly this is used just to find the side measures. So like on this one, if we want to find the value of x, I'm going to write my little parts over each other. So 4.8 over x. Yep, and come back to the left, right? 12 over 18. I don't remember what that is. And when you divide out, we should get 7.2. Perfect. How am I going to be able to write what this is as a
X minus
12. That would
It
only
gets
be.
past you guys. Right, if this whole thing's x, up to here is 12, what's left of my x?
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever x minus 12 is. Good work. Good job. So I'm going to write 12 over x minus 12 equals 18 over 30. Do a little distributive property in there.
Wait, isn't it supposed to be?
Did I mess up?
Wait, no.
I might have, did I?
No.
No? Okay.
Wait,
12 over that. Nope, we're good.
I messed up.
32.
Yeah.
Okay, just because your homework isn't going to take you long, we're going to do some just problems on our desk. If you want to grab an expo marker, just so we can practice a bit. Here, once.